How y'all doing? I'm Nita, one of the inventors of the Better Better. And remember, the Better Better is like a giant headband that wraps around your mattress. Put it on once, you never have to put it on again, and then it'll keep your sheets from popping off. You never lift your mattress. It actually is a lifesaver. So it's pretty amazing.
And I'm Blake.
Oh, yeah. So this is Blake, my daughter.
But yeah, we're here today. We wanted to show you where it all began. This is the first sewer.
Yep, this is a sewer. I was the first sewer, mind you. This is the first sewing machine that I taught myself to sew, and to help us make the Better Better. I learned on Google, on YouTube, and we made prototypes. Actually, here's one of the prototypes. It's a little mini Better Better, but it is like a headband. And so now we have them made, and they're professionally made. They're handmade in Louisiana. So you would be getting a top quality, not a quality like this. But so we have them made in Louisiana, and they are very, very high quality made. When you get your Better Better, most people actually, we have a lot of comments of people talking about, oh my God, I can't believe the quality of the Better Better. So anyway, we're very proud of that. So, yep. And Blake, actually, we have 7 kids among us, me and my co-inventor. And if without those 7 kids that we had, thank God, they help us with everything from, you name it. We couldn't get any of this done if it wasn't for them. So Blake, tell us a little bit about what you help with. Besides being my lovely daughter.
I help with Facebook, Instagram, all the posts, the website. When we get orders in, help them ship out.
Yep.
All that kind of stuff.
Couldn't do it.
And also keep track of all the orders and to see what parishes we're in Louisiana, since we're from Louisiana.
Yep, we're parishes, not counties.
Yeah. And then I also keep track of all the states that we're in, which recently we got in all 50 states.
50 states, baby.
So that's exciting.
So we're across the nation. There's a Better Better in every state. So we love that. Yeah. Today we're going to read a comment. We get lots of comments off our ads on Facebook. We get lots of reviews. And as you can see, let me see. Where did she go?
Here,
I'll find it.
Okay.
There she is. I think it's it. So anyway, one of the ones that we're going to read is from who? Deidre. And hers actually made me laugh. I'm thinking, yeah, me and Deidre could probably be friends. And just to kind of show you the comments that we get. I mean, we get comments, and it's comments, I love it. I can't believe how did I ever live without it? We get some people that are skeptical. Does it really work? And before we can answer, a lot of times we get our Better family will answer for us. So we don't even have to answer. So we're going to read Deidre's. Deidre's will be easy to find because she actually sent a picture of herself, so excited, holding her Better. Let's see. Here she is. Look, she was easy to find. Let's see. There's Deidre. See if she'll pop up. You can see Deidre holding her Better. Yep, there she is. You see Deidre. She's all excited with her Better. So Blake's going to read it, and we'll see what she said.
Okay, so about 5 days ago, she commented and said, I'm actually glad to see this in my Facebook feed. I purchased a new mattress last year, and the darn thing is 24 inches deep. LOL. It has been a year of constant tugging to readjust the fitted sheet. LOL. After visiting your website, pretty certain I'll be ordering one. Sometimes the simplest things can be worth it if the frustration level goes down. LOL.
Exactly.
Thanks. LOL. And then we commented back saying, great, let us know if you have any questions. And then
she immediately responded.
Well, she said, okay, I ordered mine tonight, hoping it is all I expect it to be.
Right. So she was going to wait to order, but then she couldn't, so she went ahead and ordered right away.
And then she got it, I guess, 5 days later, it says. And she said, 5 days ago, I ordered one of these, and it arrived today. I live outside Portland, Oregon, so the extra shipping days is no big deal. And was surprised to find a handwritten thank you note more than just one sentence. LOL.
Right. And we do LOL. And we write a hand note on every one of them, so that's one of the things that we do.
And she said, I'm pretty excited about this product. LOL. Just wanted to let you folks know this is no scam. This is real. And I'm as real goofy as it gets. LOL. Thank you, Better. I work 12-hour shifts all week, but Saturday I'm off, so I'll be putting my Better on then and give a better review.
Right. So she's going to wait till Saturday to put it on, so she's very excited about it. But then an hour later, she writes again.
So an hour later, this was Thursday, but an hour later she said she was commenting on someone else's comment because they were skeptical about buying it and if it was real, if we're real.
Right.
And she said, she tagged the lady and she said, I wanted to let you know I just got mine in the mail today. I couldn't wait to put it on my 24-inch deep mattress because my fitted sheets keep popping off the corners every single night. I've been bouncing and twisting and testing this for over half an hour, and my fitted sheet hasn't budged.
I can only picture her jumping around, making sure it really works. She put it on, and then she's laying down, jumping on her bed, twisting and turning, just to see if it'll pop off. Look, that's what made me laugh, because I can actually picture her doing that.
And she said, I bought it to only use for the fitted sheet as I prefer my top sheet to be tucked in at the bottom of the bed. For myself, this product is great. I have a disabled left hand, so this sure helps with that issue. I'm a real person, never heard of this company until I saw this ad on Monday. LOL. Hope my personal review helps a little. It took me 10 minutes to get my better on my mattress and 72 seconds to tuck my fitted sheet into the edge of the product.
So it's that fast. She timed herself. So, and this happens all the time. People are skeptical and they don't know if it really works. They order it. They know we have a 30-day return policy. So, and with the full purchase price of their order. So they said, might as well try it. And when they get it, they test it out. They put it on. They jump on their bed. They do all kind of stuff. And it's amazing, but it works. And once they realize this is the real deal, they become advocates for us. And if somebody says, I don't think this works, like I said, we don't even have to answer. They say they do. So anyway, I think, Deidre, I think we could probably be best friends. And that's honestly, everybody that writes, I feel like they can actually be a part of my family. So I just love the comments. Keep them coming. And I love y'all.
Sharing.
And y'all have a good weekend.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.